Welcome to our ClearBank UK review. Find links to everything discussed down below. ClearBank is the UK's first cloud-based clearing bank. Instead of individual accounts, they focus on providing infrastructure and services for financial institutions. So, if you need personal banking, this isn't for you. ClearBank serves fintechs, payment providers, and other financial institutions, giving them direct access to UK clearing systems like BACS, CHAPS, and faster payments. Their real-time API platform lets institutions build seamless, scalable financial products. Unlike traditional banks, ClearBank isn't held back by legacy systems, resulting in faster, more reliable, and cost-effective transactions. Security is paramount, with advanced data protection and compliance built in. For fintechs, ClearBank offers solutions like safeguarded accounts, ensuring client funds are secure and FCA compliant. Their platform is perfect for businesses needing robust, scalable systems to handle high transaction volumes without downtime. A key benefit is transparency. ClearBank doesn't compete with clients, offering no direct-to-consumer services. ClearBank revolutionizes how financial institutions operate. It's a modern, cloud-based, secure, efficient, and transparent clearing solution. If you're a fintech or payment provider needing a cutting-edge banking partner, ClearBank is worth exploring. Check the links below to learn more or get started.